So again, I will show you how to create the variable fillet. Select the variable fillet, select the edge, then so give the radius. I have given as 5. So suppose if you want to vary at the particular point, you just select the point. So again, you select the point. You can give the radius here. See, like this, it will vary. So all of you are getting. See, like this, you can vary the fillet. Okay, fine. So next we have caudal fillet. Okay, so select it. So usually in the normal fillets you used to give radius, right? In this you have to give caudal length. See, caudal length means I will tell you what is this. So if you give 25, so this is the caudal length. You just check the preview. So this is the caudal length. So length of this end of the arc. Okay, the distance between two end arc or two end point of an arc. So that is called caudal length. Okay, fine. So next we have face fillet. So I will select this face. So see, once you select the face fillet, select this face and this face. So automatically the fillet will take. See, like this. Only you need to select two faces. All of you are getting na? Are you getting? Anyone response?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So you can edit the fillet here. So you can give 50. So like this. It is similar to this only. So here instead of selecting edge, you are going to select two adjacent faces. So next we have tritangent fillet. Suppose if you want to create a fillet for whole face of this, okay, you just select it here, face to fillet this, okay, then face to remove this and this will select. Wait. So select the face to face fillet. See, faces to fillet means two opposite faces, okay, then face to remove would be this. See, like this you need to select and give okay. See, whatever the distance between two opposite faces are there, that will consider it as a radius. Okay, fine. So this is how you can create fillet. So next we have chamfer. So select the chamfer. See, here we have, see, chamfer, you just select the edge. See here, you can give length. So I will give length as 20 and angle. See here, you just check the preview. You can give like this. So total length and angle. So you can give length 1 and length 2. So the length 1 and length 2. You can vary the length 1 and length 2. So I will give this as 10. See, you can check here. So this is the length 2 and this is the length 1. You can vary the chamfer like this. Got it? Fine. So next we have, I'll close this. So next we have draft. So here draft, so I will show you only this one. So if you want to give an angle here at the particular face, so this can be used to create a small inclination of face. So select this. So once you select it, you will get an angle. So how much angle you have to make a draft? I will give 10. So face to draft this. Okay. Then neutral element, I will select this. With say neutral element with respect to this, it will move. See there. See like this. If you give okay, see some inclination of an angle has been happened. Got it? So this is how you can create it. Fine. Any doubts? Okay. So next we have shell. See, select it. See, shell is used to create a hollow block. So once you select the shell, shell is nothing but it is going to remove the material. So I'll give inside thickness as 10, outside thickness as 10. So face to remove, I will select this. other thickness face. So I need to give thickness. So 1 minute. So once again, so go to shell, so give thickness, so I will give 5 mm and 5 mm. So face to remove, I will select this. Other thickness faces, you just click on this other thickness faces, select the faces. Okay. So here I will select 3 faces. Okay. See here. So once you get, if you give OK, see it is going to create a halo block. Got it. So you can do one more thing here. So you can remove not only one face, you can remove this face also. See there. So if you select this, see here, you can remove this. See like this. Got it. Okay. So here we have thickness. So suppose if you want to increase the thickness of this, select the face, and you can increase the thickness. So I will give 50. See, see there, the still more thickness is going to happen. Got it. Fine. So this is all about the dresser features. We have very important. So next we'll see very important topic in this. That is, see, all of you have done with introduction and literature part. So those who are having like only 40 members has attended, 39 members out of 43, 44, 64. Out of 64, only 38 members, 39 members. Okay, be serious, guys. Okay, so in the next session, I'm going to give presentation for you. You have to present whatever you have done. Okay. So how many of you have done? You just message me. Okay, in the WhatsApp group. So if anybody left, kindly do it by today itself. And have you got the drawing? Have you got the drawing, 2D drawing in the literature paper? Have you got the drawing? Any response? Okay, leave it. I think you are not serious. Okay, so next I will show you this transformation features. Okay, so this is very important. So here I will show you. So the important topic. See this mirror, rectangular pattern and circular pattern. See mirror means, so I will select this. So once you select this, what I will do, I will select this one. Okay, then I will create a pad here. Suppose if you want same feature in the bottom side, you can use mirror option. So wait for a while. Okay, so if you want to mirror this, so go to mirror, select the feature. So mirroring element, see, once again I will show you. Go to mirror. So you have to select the reference plane. See here, with respect to this, if you want to mirror, see here, it has been mirrored. But entire thing is mirroring, right? So what I will do, I will make a model properly. So I will create mirror extent here. See, go to pad, So select the profile. I will use mirror extend so that it will be helpful for me to create mirror. Okay, see this. So next, I will create feature here. Select this. Select. Okay. So here I will create feature. Fine. See here. Next, go to mirror. Select the plane. See here. Are you getting? So, but one thing you observe here, if I go to mirror, if I select the plane, see here, mirroring element, both are selecting, right? So both are selecting, but if you want to select only this, so you can't able to select here also. For that, we have one more important feature called Boolean operation. So before creating a part, before see for that particular part, if you want to use mirror or pattern, see you just keep in mind if you want to mirror or if you want to pattern it, you have to use Boolean operation here. Okay. So to use this Boolean operation, if suppose if you are creating any feature, before creating a feature, so here see before creating a feature, I will just delete it. So before creating a feature, you need to go to insert and body. See what happens if you won't insert a new body, whatever the feature you will create without inserting a body, it will add to the previous part. That will consider it as a single part. That's why we need to differentiate it. To differentiate it, we need to insert new body. So we have inserted it. Then I will create part here. Select it, exit, and create a pad. So now you observe, you will get definitely. So go to mirror. So once you go to mirror, you need to select a plane. So what happens? See here now, you are getting only this part, right? What happens? See, once you select mirror or pattern anything, automatically the software will select the entire part if you want to insert new body. If you insert a new body, if you select mirror or pattern, it will select a new body itself. It won't select this body. Okay. See here, I will show you. I will just mirror this. Okay. So now you observe here. There is a difference, right? So it has been, see this circular body has not been added to this square block, right? So it should appears like this if you insert new body. Now, if you go to mirror, then if you give this, see here, now you are getting only this part, right? See here. So it will come only when you insert new body. If you won't insert new body directly, if you create a feature, the entire body will select and entire body will mirror. Okay. So here once again I will show you. Go to mirror. So what I will do, I will select this. See here. See and you okay. So once you mirror it, still it is in different part, right? So new body here we have. So we have very important option here, Boolean operation. So you can assemble, you can add this material, whatever you have mirrored with this part. You can remove this with this, you can intersect. So I will show you how to add this. See here, go to insert. So no need to do anything. Right click on the body, what you have got in the specification tree. Okay. Go to body to object and just click on add. So once you click on add, see you can observe difference here. See here, you can observe the difference here. Once again, I will show you. See, I have undo it. So go to body to, you just add it. So the part has been added to that. See here. All of you got it. Any doubts? Again, I have made undo. So I will show you how to remove this. Just right click. And if you click on remove, it will remove. See here, like this. See, got it. Any doubts? Okay. Any doubts?
No, sir.
Okay,
No, that's sir.
fine. So this is how we can create a mirror. So next we'll see pattern. Sorry. So what I will do, I'll make it thin of this. I will give 10. Okay. So what I will do, I will just again I am going. So I have made undo. That's why again I am creating insert body. Select the face and go to sketch. So this is also very important. You just observe it. See, until unless if you won't add new body, you cannot perform Boolean operation, and also you cannot perform mirror pattern. Okay, you cannot perform mirror operation and pattern operation. Pattern, we have rectangular pattern and circular pattern. See here, I am creating a pad here. So I'll use mirror and give OK. Suppose if I want number of features, we have a rectangular pattern. See, go to insert here. See, go to insert, transformation features, we have rectangular. So here, first what you have to do, you just select the feature, it has been selected. See here, current solid body means new body. So you have to select the direction. See, you are getting direction here, that is first direction. Okay, so I will select this direction. See, it is going in this direction, you just make it reverse. See, here you have parameters, instances and length, instances and spacing, spacing and length, and instances and equal length. So instances and length is, so the total length. So I will give total length of 100. See here, total length it is considering. In this total length, if you want to create 4, see it will create a 4. So I will give 130 as a length. See here, it is moving. In between this 130 mm distance, it will create 4. If you want to use instances and spacing, so you can create spacing here. You are getting? See? Got it. So next, second direction. If you want to add still more features in this direction, go to second direction, select the reference element and select the edge. So this will be the another direction. Instances and spacing, I will give 40, 45. So here I will create 4. See here, oh, 4 is more. I will create instances spacing as 20. See here, I will give 25. See, got it. So if you just give okay, see how you have created. So once you perform pattern or mirror, you need to perform Boolean operation. Don't forget that. So otherwise, the whatever the model you will create, that will affect during analysis. In analysis, it will consider as a two different geometries, two different features. Okay. So suppose if you want to add, right click on the body, body to object. So if you want to say assemble and add, both are same. Okay, you just assemble it. See here, it has been assembled. Okay. So next, if you want to remove, just go to body to, so undo it and just go to body to and remove. See here. Any doubts?
No, sir.
Okay. So next I will show you circular pattern. So I'll just select the plane and I will create a circular body here. See? Okay. See? So what I will do, I will select this and I will create. So I will create on circular part. Exit. So go to pad here. I will make mirror extend. So if you want to create a complete hole, okay. See, So, but I forgot to insert body, right? I'll just undo it. So before creating sketch itself, you have to insert body. Go to insert and insert a body. Then I will go to, see, don't forget to insert body here. So select this feature, exit and pad it. See, click on mirror extent. Fine. Okay. See now. So now go to circular pattern here. So here insert, see insert transformation feature and circular pattern. So again here we have instances in total angle. I will use instances in total angle. So already the body has been selected. You need to select the rotational axis. So select this rotational axis. See here. So you can check the preview. So here we have two instances. See, instances will consider with existing one. So total angle it has given. So I will create 6. See here. In 180 degree I have to create. So that means total angle. In total 180 degree it has been created 6 instances. Suppose instances and angular spacing. If you have angular spacing of 45 degree, so it will create 45 degree each. Okay. So angular spacing and total angle same. Angular spacing and total angle. So complete crown is very important. So this we won't use. Complete crown means total 360 degree automatically it will take. Only you need to give instances. Suppose if you want to give instances as 12, you can give. Still like this. Give okay. See? Next, you need to perform Boolean operation. Right click, body to object, and use remove or add. So if you remove it, so it will remove entire thing. Any doubts?
Yes.
Not also.
Okay. So this is how you can use transformation features. Okay. So next, many things are there. So as per your project requirement, those are all are necessary. Okay, those are all not required. So one thing I would like to know from your side, how many of you have not done this introduction and literature part? Everybody has done in this, those who have joined in this meeting?
In literature survey, which drawing should we do, sir?
So you have to search it.
I mean, related to project or which drawing you given? Which one?
No, related to drawing.
Okay.
Related to drawing. So I have
I mean,
given, say, suppose if I have given a flywheel, okay, you have to search the flywheel drawing with dimension.
okay.
With, say, try to get it by today itself, man. Because why I'm telling you is, so once you get that design, so once you get the drawing, we'll start. I will just show you how to create it by using CATIA itself. Okay. So you just
Okay.
practice these things what I have explained you. Okay. So please,
Okay.
those who have not done the introduction and literature part, kindly do it, because that you are going to add it in your internship report. Okay. So next you have very important session, that is I'm going to show you how to perform analysis in ANSYS. So before that I need drawing and boundary conditions. So everybody should complete introduction as well as literature part. Otherwise we can't move ahead. Any doubts?
The batch completed, sir.
Sorry?
Introduction and literature.
Okay, I will
And
check
send
it out.
it.
I have a data. I will check it out. Those who have not completed, I will message you in the group. Okay, kindly do it. Today I will check everything. So those who have done, okay. And one more thing, listen everybody. So those who have considered the literature papers, those who are downloaded it, kindly share with your respective group so that I will check it out. Kindly share the literature papers which you have downloaded and which you have referred to the respective project group. All of you are getting?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Okay. So shall I wind up the session?
Sir.
Okay. So tomorrow all of you should give presentation 10 minutes for each batch. So before that, everyone should submit introduction and literature part, as well as the you just send me the papers which you have downloaded and referred. Okay. So don't forget this. Tomorrow I will message you how to give presentation. Okay. For each batch, I'm scheduling a meeting. Okay. In that meeting, only the project batch should come and present it. Introduction and literature part, and also the material details. So whatever I have told you yesterday, type of analysis, materials and all. Okay. Any doubts?
No doubt, sir.
Okay, shall I wind up the session?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay,
Yes, sir.
thank you.